Hello all, welcome back to Sovi. I will be posting easy crochet tutorials every Saturday. This week we'll make this Pinteresty cushion cover. If you want to make such cute crochet projects, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from Sovi. This is an absolutely beginner friendly tutorial. So even if you don't know crochet, you will be able to make this. We'll be making such 16 granny squares. For the central daisy, we need yellow and white yarn. I usually use cotton yarn, and for the borders, we take these 3 pastel shades from Hobby Store. We'll start with a magic ring. Make 2 chains and then make double crochet in the circle we started with. We have to make 15 such double crochet stitches, and counting the first chain 2, we will have a total of 16 such stitches. I forgot to tell the hook size, which is 4mm for this project. If you need link to the yarn and the hook set, check the description. Pull the string to bring all the 16 stitches together and make a slip knot in the first chain 2 stitch that we had. And the central portion is done. See, this is matching with the granny square. Now we'll start with white petals. Insert hook in between any of the 2 stitches, pull out white yarn and tie off the first knot. I usually start this way so that we don't have any loose ends in the end. Start with 3 chain stitches with white yarn. Loop yarn twice on the hook like we start for triple crochet, but don't complete it. So we have 2 loops on the needle. Make 1 more such stitch. Now we have 3 loops on the needle and pull a loop through all these 3. Make chain 2 and our first petal is done. Make the same for the next petal in the next stitch gap. Now we'll make 3 triple crochets, but we'll not complete them. So we have 4 loops that we need to pull through to complete the petal. Chain 2, and this is how we continue to make the daisy. You can pause here and complete all the 16 petals. Now to complete this white round, we will make a slip knot in the chain 3 that we had started with. As you go along, just tie the loose ends. So for yellow, if you have any loose ends, just tie them off. For white, tie them off. And next we start with blue. In the same way, in between the petals, pull blue yarn. Start with chain 3. Make a double crochet in the same stitch gap. We make 2 such double crochets, chain 1, and in the next gap make 3 half double crochets. We have to make 3 of such half double crochet sets. We have made 2 now. This is the 3rd one. And this will be our corner stitch. So we make 3 double crochets Now chain 2 and again 3 double crochet in the same stitch gap. Chain 1 and now continue this. So we have 3 sets of half double crochet and the corner stitch with 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same stitch gap. To complete this round, make a slip stitch in the first chain 3 that we had started with. You can pause here, complete this round, and then we can continue. Now for the last round of granny square, start with chain 2 and in each stitch we have to make a double crochet. This is simple, right? Again for corner stitch we'll have a different pattern. Look carefully where we are adding a double crochet. Coming to the corner stitch now, make 2 double crochets, chain 2 and again 2 double crochets in the same chain 2 gap from the previous round. You can make the video 0.5x here to see the stitches clearly. This is how one side of the 4th round looks like. Pause the video here and complete round 4. Now to end this round, we will make a slip stitch in the first chain 2 that we had started with. If you're watching the video till now, please subscribe my channel for more such easy crochet tutorials. It is completely normal that the work gets little crooked and we need to stretch it to make it flowy. There is also a technique called blocking, which I'll put it up soon on the channel. This is the stitch we'll use to join 2 granny squares. It looks like a braid and gives a really nice effect. We take 2 granny squares facing the back of one another. So this is the back of yellow granny square and facing the back of pink granny square. Keep them together. We start with the corner 2 chain stitches. Take the upper one and pull the hook through both of them. 1 and 2. So the first one on top. Okay. I'm using a grey yarn here to join these. I thought white will look too bright, so this is a really light shade of grey. Chain 1. In the next stitch, pass the hook only through the upper loop. Okay. You can make the video 0.5x here. We pull a slip stitch and chain 1, slip stitch and chain 1. So just repeat this along the borders. This is how it looks, and I suggest arrange the granny squares in a way that you wish and then just go on continuing one after the other, one after other, so that there are not many knots to tie it off at the end. So I'm continuing with the same yarn without cutting it off. I'm continuing the next 2 granny squares. In the same way, start with the topmost chain stitch. From the corner, chain 2 stitches, make a slip stitch, chain 1. Now we'll complete the horizontal lines. A total of 16 granny squares are connected together in an arrangement of 4x4. So this completely depends on the size of your pillow. For me, this was enough. And we need to also complete the vertical lines to finish it off completely. Once all are connected, we can add a white lace for the border, or just continue with the grey yarn with a double crochet stitch along the border to complete it. And it's done. I just tied it to one pillow that I had. We can also stitch it as a patch. Please do like if you enjoy this video and subscribe for more such easy crochet tutorials.